Right upper, right middle, right lower. On the left, you have the left upper, left lower. So on a film, or rather I should start out saying on your midterm lab portion, the majority of the questions are going to be us showing you an infiltrate or pneumonia or mass and then asking you where is it located. Right upper, right middle, right lower, or what segment. You're not going to be asked to come up with a diagnosis. That's not until next quarter. So for the lab midterm, it's going to be all about localization of this mass or of that infiltrate or pneumonia. So our right upper lobe is separated from the right middle lobe by a fissure. And that fissure is made up of the pleura, the visceral and parietal pleura, and sometimes we catch it. And maybe you can hallucinate with me that there's a discrete little line right there. So that means everything up here is right upper lobe. Everything below that little white line is right middle lobe. And then remember, our lower lobe is coming up from behind because it's sitting on the row behind. With me so far? Yeah?
Is there a way to just count the ribs?
No, because it varies a little bit from patient to patient. You just have to approximate it. And then when we test on you, I promise you, I'm not going to give you a mass that's sitting right there, where you could kind of debate, is it middle or upper? I'm going to make sure it's a clear upper case or middle case. Yeah.
You pass around whatever you're drinking.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see it back here either.
You'll get there. So here's that discrete little thin line. We catch a little bit of it, but actually I can sell it to you much better on the lateral film. You for sure see that white line now. Mm-hmm. Good, thank you. So now that it's like that minor fissure is like a membrane. So it's just sitting like a membrane, like this. And so that means everything superior to this straight line, that's all right upper lobe. Here, and I know this is a tough one.
Yeah, I don't
right
see
there.
that one, but I see this one.
Yeah. So I'll put this up, so it's right there. We catch just a little bit of it. So now we've taken care of the right upper, the right middle, but remember we have a right lower we also have to place. So the right lower sits behind. It's coming up from behind, and here's our oblique fissure right here. We catch a little bit, and it should extend all the way up here approximately to T6. So that means every